I don't feel like I'm burning, you know?
Yeah.
It's perfect sunlight.
This is probably the safest place. You have to be checked. You have to like walk in just to go in.
Uh-huh.
You have to like check in.
Let's turn the camera around.
And then you've got these federal employees.
Oh, this is nice. This is nice. The John Muir National Historic Site. We're gonna see some nature. What a nice day. Pizza, coffee, nature. This is how life could be. This is how life should be.
So this is John Muir's house.
This is John Muir's house?
Yeah.
All right.
He is the father of preservation.
The father of preservation.
Yosemite National Park.
Okay. Oh, he wait, he founded Yosemite?
He didn't find it, and there's
Oh.
him with Roosevelt.
Okay.
But he helped give Yosemite protection, federal protection. He planted fruit trees and everything, and he had that railroad track. You see the train tracks over there?
The train tracks?
All the fruits and vegetables, he sold them all to the city of San Francisco.
Oh.
That's how he made his fortune.
Okay.
And then he used all that money to fight for protection for all the parks. You can eat all the fruit you want.
Wow.
You fill your belly.
Fill your belly with
Grapevines,
fruit.
everything, every kind of fruit.
Yep.
You can eat all you want. And
Grapevines.
They just don't want you putting stuff in bags and taking it home.
Oh, of course not. Yeah.
But they don't care. They say just eat everything you want.
That's cool.
So.
This is so nice. Now this is the kind of nature I'm used to.
And
this is not in Las Vegas.
Right here, that's a giant sequoia. He planted that himself.
Oh, the sequoia.
Those are like the biggest trees in the world.
I know they are the biggest trees in the world. But this is going to take like hundreds of years to grow. Like the ones in the Yosemite.
Thousands, maybe.
Thousands, yeah. The ones in Yosemite are huge.
This tree's not looking very healthy right now.
No. No, you're right.
So, these are the original, the
Oh,
crates and stuff
wow.
that they shipped.
Yeah. The original crates.
See the carriage?
For the fruit, yeah.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Carriage house.
American History
And
by Tony Goss.
One creature he hated was, he hated sheep.
He hated sheep?
He called them hoofed locusts because they'd eat all the flowers.
Oh.
He loved flowers, he loved nature. Look, there's a deer right
They did
there.
it, yeah, they do. Oh, there's a deer. Oh. Well, I can't really see it with the camera.
It's right away.
It's those wide, yeah, I see it with my eyes, but the camera
You'll see a bunch.
is too wide.
Yeah, these are the grapevines. His grapes are freaking delicious.
Oh. Best grapes in the world, huh?
My grapes aren't that good.
All right.
This is like the best place to go picnicking and,
Oh, look at this classic bridge. This is so nice.
This river runs from my house, all the way around.
Oh, it's a little river.
And then it goes straight out to the ocean.
It goes to the ocean? Holy crap. This is so nice.
And then every Earth Day, once a year, they have all the tents and we celebrate Earth Day out here.
God. Wish I could take Elin out here.
You can see the crack through the house.
Oh, how'd that crack get there?
Probably an earthquake didn't help,
Yeah.
It was open for a while, but yeah, they said it's not safe for people to visit. But we can go in the John Muir's house, and then over here, they have a lemon tree.
Ooh, lemon tree. That must be nice.
That's an oddly shaped lemon.
Yeah, it is. It's a little oblong. That's an oblong lemon. A fig tree?
like Turkish steak.
Oh, I bet. Well, this is a lot of fun. It smells so good out here. Like it smells very, very.
You're in nature, man. Look.
I know.
It's all forest, but
It smells so fresh and wholesome.
7 miles past that is all forest.
Look at that windmill. Oh, we can go inside. Oh, wow. Hello. This is so cool. I'll close the door. Oh, the little piano. This is such a nice piano. Look at this. This is nice. Yeah, they don't want anybody playing that one. Preserved. Well-preserved house. Yeah, back in the day there was no internet. You just write books.
That's what Martinez looked like. That's John Muir right there. And that's what Martinez. There's his house, and that's what it looked like.
Oh, that was Martinez before.
There was no 7-Eleven right there. So.
I know. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the person who painted it didn't even think about what 7-Eleven could be. This is the kitchen.
And then there was like a living quarters or whatever that got torn down.
This is so cool.
But these were his. He had Chinese cooks.
Chinese cooks. That is so cool. Lucky him. He probably got Chinese food every day.
John Sweat was his best friend.
John Sweat. Oh, look at these bags. Oh, the grains. Making bread. John Muir explored mountains and glaciers with nothing but a crust of bread in his pocket. Wow. That's a good challenge to do in this day and age. And the plants. These stairs support a heavy Filipino guy. Ugh.
Yeah, these are what a typical room would look like back then. Because he died in like, I think it was 1920.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
400 years ago. These are what bedrooms look like.
It's like watching one of those old movies.
This wasn't there before. Because my daughter actually was rocking on the chair and she was jumping on the bed and I had to grab her and pull her off.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's probably why they put this up. You gotta preserve the history.
You can open the drawers. People don't know that.
Oh,
See this?
he had a little feather pen. I've always worn a feather pen, but there'd be no reason for me to have it other than collector's item type stuff. Oh, this is nice. Look at the little.
This is my favorite room. This was his office.
This is the office. Look at the little typewriter.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Where he wrote his books and
Amazing.
fought for protection. And
I didn't appreciate this stuff back when I was a kid, you know?
you did. It's art. There's a sink over there.
Yeah, you don't care for this stuff when you're
And there's his
naive
friend
and.
right here. That's John Sweat. That's the father of the California school
Okay.
system. So. Like when he was paintings. Yeah, this is yes, that's where he worked. So.
That is amazing.
And then I'll show you something cool.
Oh, I like cool stuff. Okay. Wow.
So he has his suit
The
out,
suit.
And he's ready to go for. They had his top hat, which was on the bed before when they moved it. Put this up. This wasn't here before they moved it.
This is so cool. The top hat?
Yeah, he had a top hat,
Oh.
and it was in a.
Someone stole it. Wow, he's like, it's funny because furniture was like smaller back then because people were smaller.
But this is like a mansion.
You never saw like a 7-footer back in the when was this? 19, was this 18?
Yeah, like 1800s.
1800s. Yeah, you would never see anybody that tall.
These would be like people's dream houses.
I know. This was a mansion back in the day. Okay. We're up in the attic now.
And this is furniture that they said it wasn't nice enough to put in the house.
Oh, like storage.
Be like a sewing
So just
machine,
preserve it.
You know,
A sewing machine.
and artifacts.
Jeez.
And this wasn't open last.
And now all this stuff is probably worth millions. Because it's old.
But this wasn't
Antique.
open last time. See that small
This is-
furniture that they got covered.
This is antique American stuff. Back in the wild, wild west. Pretty cool.
It's more
John Muir, father of our
National
national
parks.
parks.
Butcher John Muir, San Francisco.
Pretty cool. Got Yosemite stuff. San Francisco. There's more up there? Holy crap. Attic, there's the roof.
Tight space, so just be careful when you climb up. So
Okay.
This is a 360 view of Martinez.
Okay, is that, okay,
It's safe.
okay.
You won't get a job.
I won't die. You know how scared I am of heights. I don't want to die. Not today. Oh. Oh, it is tight. It's a tight. It's tight.
Don't fall that way.
Tight like a twigger.
Okay, so here's a 360 view.
Oh, it's so high.
So yeah,
Oh, wow.
just be really careful over here. You go up over here.
Got this in 4K resolution.
You got part of the bay over there.
I see. Wow.
Man, you can ring the bell. My daughter comes up here.
Just to ring the bell?
Yeah. Shall I ring John Muir's bell?
I rung the bell.
Yep.
Did you hear it? Okay.
But you can
It's
ring it. You can
dinner
ring
time.
It. The string is all the way down there. You can ring it. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
You can ring it from the bottom.
But there's his railroad track because he built that stretch to where he could ship all his fruits. Because this was all orchard to San Francisco.
Where? Over there.
See the-
I see him.
Well, that's all covered.
Let's
in
zoom in
graffiti,
over
you
there.
know? Yeah.
Graffiti. All right, I see it. Jeez. This is
It gets warm up here in the summer.
okay. Yeah, I'm scared of heights, but this is nice.
Yeah.